In today's video, I will demonstrate the process of adding social media links to a Reddit profile. To accomplish this, navigate to the Reddit application and click on your profile icon located at the top right corner. Subsequently, select the Profile option. Within the profile settings, you will find the Add Social Link option. Alternatively, you can click on the Edit button and locate the Add option, which essentially serves the same purpose. Upon selecting the Add option, you will be presented with a list of various social media platforms. In this instance, let us consider adding an Instagram link. Simply search for Instagram and click on it. Subsequently, enter your Instagram username and click on the Save button. Once saved, you will notice that your Instagram account is now displayed on your Reddit profile.